everybody and welcome to the Honest Mama YouTube channel. My name is Claudia. For some of yous, welcome back, and whoever's new, welcome. Today I'm going to be unboxing and giving you a quick review of my Mother's Day present to myself. Stay tuned till the end of the video because I'm going to have some body shots popped in there. Also on my channel I have other videos regarding 12little product as well that I'm going to link just up above here. The box I have literally just opened it there. As you can see, it is from 12little, and let's have a look. So you open the box and what do we have inside? This lovely teal material just to protect the goods. Gonna open that up. Then in here we have a lovely envelope with 12little, where there's this amazing thank you card and it tells you their story. And then what else do we have in here? Okay, your receipt as well. Now, let's open it up. Ta-da! Peekaboo crossbody bag. I think you can see it from the excitement on my face. It's something that I wanted for a while and it has arrived. So the reason why I was dying to have the crossbody from 12little, from the Peekaboo range, is because it's made completely of 100%, if you can see, vegan leather. It has the lovely gold hardware. And it also is so classy. It has great organizational space inside that I will show you in a second. And it can be used for quick errands with your kids, or also just for mommy needs and mommy purpose. Just so your mommy looks stylish. So if you like my channel and the content I am providing you with, please give me a lovely thumbs up and hit that subscribe button there. So in the front here, what we have is their famous Peekaboo pocket. It is held together by a really strong magnet, if you can hear it. And then here in the front we can see their opening for wipes. You do receive with the bag a complimentary wipes case, and here it's up to you if you want to put your normal wipes in or your antibacterial wipes in. It just opens up with a little zip at the back. Here, I'm going to open it this way. You open, pop your wipes in, close it, and then you pop it back into the bag. If you don't want to use this part as a wipes, access to wipes, there is this magnetic compartment here that changes orientation and snaps to the front here, and you can use this entire pocket just for your own personal needs. So as you can see, this pocket here in the front, it is quite spacious for whatever you choose to use it for. We can also have a quick look at the lining here. It is made from a leafy design, and it's a water resistant polyester. So there we go. So moving on, here we have this slip compartment here. It's completely covered with the vegan leather. This could be a quick access compartment here, where you could use it for multi-purposes, really, for phones, receipt, or anything that you need to kind of grab and go quite quickly. So moving on, we have this other compartment here. The width of it is just showing up here, and this has the opening with a lovely metal, gold hardware metal with the vegan leather tab, and if you can see, it quite opens nice and smoothly. In this pocket here we have some organizational compartments. On this side we have two slip pockets, one being larger and the other one being a slightly bit smaller. On this other side here we have another zip pocket, just to bring to your attention the details again. Also, the zip pocket in here has this lovely leather tab, opens up quite nicely, and that's the space inside of the zip pocket. So maximum organization. So at the back here we have another zip compartment. I'm just going to turn it around. The zip is not made of the gold metal hardware, but again, it's just opens and closes quite smoothly as well. And it also has the leather tab. This compartment doesn't have any organizational structure, but it is quite spacious as well, nonetheless, to fit quite a lot inside. There is also a decorative vegan leather tab here just that hangs at the side, just to add at the elegance and the classiness of this. Got to mention that all 12little bags are free from harsh chemicals such as PVC. And we're going to move on to the strap here. It is a thinner strap, but I don't know if you can see it, it is slightly padded. And if my research is correct, it should be padded with some Bombay padding inside. We have, again, the metal hardware, and we have 5 adjustable holes here that we can move up and down depending if you want to wear it crossbody or you want to wear it just off the shoulder. So here is my review of showing you the various compartments that the 12little crossbody bag has to offer. I won't have a packing video for another little while because I'm going to have to test drive it myself first to give you my honest opinion. I hope it lives up to the excitement that I have in receiving it. So thank you again for watching and giving me your precious time to watch this video. I would appreciate some support by clicking that subscribe button, and also if you could give me a lovely thumbs up. Have a lovely day, and I'll see you next time.